Little Tadpoles Looking for Mommy. Narrated and edited by Sandra Ferran. Spring was coming and snow was melted. Mother Frog jumped into the pond and laid a lot of frog eggs. It became warmer and warmer. Trees turned green and flowers competed to bloom. Pond water became warm under the heat of the sun. The frog's eggs turned into tadpole and with big eyes and long tails one by one. One day, when the tadpoles were playing in the pond, they saw a mother duck teaching her ducklings to swim. They started wondering who their mother was. They asked the mother duck, "Do you know what a mother looks like?" The duck said, "Your mother has two big eyes and one big broad mouth." The tadpole swam away happily. A little further, they saw a big fish and thought she must be their mother. They shouted, "Mom, Mom!" The big fish said with a smile, "I'm not your mother, but the mother of little fish. Your mother has 4 legs. Go ahead to look for her." The tadpoles thanked the big fish and swam ahead. The tadpoles considered a big turtle as their mother when they found out she had 4 legs. So they shouted out excitedly, "Mom, Mom!" The big turtle said smilingly, "I'm not your mother, but the mother of little turtles. Your mother has big belly. Go ahead to look for her." The tadpoles swam, saw a big white goose swimming towards them. They thought she must be their mother. They shouted out, "Mom, Mom!" The white goose said with a smile, "I'm a little goose mother. Your mother wears green clothes and sings croak, croak, and she skips and jumps all day long." The tadpoles thanked the white goose and swam ahead. Just at that moment, Mother Frog, Mother Frog was looking for her babies. Seeing the tadpoles, she said happily, "Mother is here, my babies." All the tadpoles surrounded by their mother excitedly. The tadpoles played all day long around their mother happily. But suddenly they found out they were unlike their mother at all. Mother Frog realized her baby's doubts and said, "You are too young now. When you grow up, you will look like me." The tadpoles cheered up again. Great! It's so great to have a mother. Under mother's care, the tadpoles grew up day by day. They grew out 4 legs and their tails vanished. The tadpoles turned into small frogs finally. Just as their mother, the small frog, fought pests every day. They protected crops and became the peasants' good helpers. The end.